If you're considering buying AppLandr for your landing page needs, there are a few things you should know before you commit. We're going to break down the key features of AppLandr and compare them to competitors so you can make an informed decision. Stick around to the end for our recommendation on a better option you can try for free. First thing to consider is its ease of use. AppLandr is designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners. The drag-and-drop editor is intuitive, making it easy to create landing pages without any coding skills. However, if you're comparing this to some competitors like Lead Pages or Unbounce, you'll notice that while AppLandr is simple, it lacks some of the advanced customization options those platforms offer. Next thing to know is its templates. AppLandr provides a solid selection of templates to get you started quickly, but compared to some of the premium templates from platforms like Instapage, it might feel a bit limited. However, if you're not looking for anything too fancy, AppLandr's templates will do the job well. The third thing you should consider is its integrations. AppLandr offers integrations with popular tools like MailChimp, Google Analytics, and Zapier, but if you're heavily reliant on advanced CRM tools or more niche software, you might find its integrations lacking compared to other platforms. The fourth thing is its pricing. AppLandr offers a relatively affordable pricing model, especially when compared to competitors like Unbounce, which can get pricey as you scale. However, you should note that AppLandr's features may not match the scalability and advanced options of higher-end platforms, so it might not be the best choice if you're running large-scale marketing campaigns. The fifth thing to know is about AppLandr's A/B testing. While it offers basic split testing, it's not as advanced as some other platforms like Optimizely. If you're someone who thrives on detailed A/B tests to optimize conversions, you might find this lacking. Moving on to the sixth thing, app speed. AppLandr landing pages load fast, but again, when compared to top-tier platforms, it doesn't always measure up in terms of page performance optimization, especially on mobile devices. If you're targeting a global audience, this could be an issue. The seventh thing to note is its mobile optimization. AppLandr does offer mobile responsive pages, but its mobile customizations are a bit limited compared to competitors like Wix or Squarespace, which give you more control over how your page looks on mobile devices. The eighth thing to think about is customer support. AppLandr has a good support system with a knowledge base and live chat. However, if you need more hands-on, dedicated support, you might prefer a platform like Instapage, which offers phone support for enterprise clients. The ninth thing to keep in mind is AppLandr's analytics. It offers basic performance tracking, but the depth of insights isn't as detailed as other landing page platforms like Lead Pages, which provide more granular analytics to really dig into user behavior. The 10th thing you should know is the learning curve. AppLandr is easy to pick up, but some users have mentioned that it can take a bit longer to master all the nuances compared to other platforms, especially if you're coming from something like Wix, which feels more immediately accessible. The 11th thing is AppLandr's SEO features. It does offer some basic SEO functionality, but it's not as robust as other landing page tools. If search engine optimization is a priority for your business, you might want to look into more SEO-friendly platforms. Finally, the 12th thing to know is about security. AppLandr provides secure hosting and SSL certificates, which is important for building trust with your customers. While it does the basics, if you're running a large, high-traffic business, a more enterprise-focused solution like Unbounce might offer additional security features. To wrap up, AppLandr is a solid option for creating landing pages, especially if you're looking for something simple and affordable. However, if you're after more advanced features, customization, or scalability, there are other platforms out there that may be a better fit. Check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.